Hello and welcome to my video about our cruise excursion to Hotel Chocolat in St Lucia. We booked this excursion through P&O Cruises, which started with a mini coach journey from the port in Castries to Hotel Chocolat in Soufrière. The journey took about an hour, with our guide giving us an interesting talk on places we passed along the way. The Rabot Hotel and Restaurant by Hotel Chocolat is located in the 140-acre Rabot estate, where Hotel Chocolat grow its own cocoa. This luxury hotel and restaurant is set in a UNESCO World Heritage Site with breathtaking views of one of the pitons. Hotel guests have access to the infinity pool and sun platform, as well as the restaurant. As part of the excursion, we took part in a bean-to-bar tour, which is best described as a chocolate-making workshop. We were given the raw ingredients of roasted cocoa nibs, cocoa butter and sugar, and put to work to pound the roasted cocoa nibs with a pestle and mortar. Apparently, the less sugar added, the better, but I have a sweet tooth and decided to add the lot. Our liquid chocolate was poured into a mould, and an hour later, voila! Whilst we waited for our chocolate to harden, we made our way back to the open-air restaurant for lunch. Interestingly, every dish in Hotel Chocolat's restaurant has an element of chocolate incorporated into the recipe. This may sound a bit much, but I was impressed with the chef's creativity. I began with cacao nibs bread with dipping accompaniments, followed by a cacao-infused tuna tartare on a cacao-nibbed brochette with curried sweet potato, plantain crisps and pilau cacao rice. As you can imagine, the best course was dessert. We enjoyed the meringue piton in a chocolate soup with sliced banana, flaked almonds and a caramel drizzle, and a very rich chocolate mousse with cacao nib infused ice cream. This cruise excursion costs £95 per person through P&O Cruises, which included transport, the bean-to-bar workshop and lunch. The visit didn't disappoint, and I'd happily book this again. Before I go, I wanted to give a special recommendation for a little gem of a restaurant we found in Castries. If your cruise leaves late in the evening from St Lucia, take a 5-minute taxi ride to the Coal Pot. It has a gorgeous setting next to the water. Thanks for watching this video. If you are looking for other foodie places to visit in the Caribbean, I'd recommend watching my video about Oyston's fish fry next.